everyone, my name is Khizar Ahmed. I am the Director of Khizar Technologies Private Limited. Today I have with me Mr. A.S.N. Singh, the founder and director of DigiFrame Academy. Let me start off with the first question, sir. When did you start doing photography?
See, I started my career as a hobby in 1971, slowly as a wedding corporate level.
When and how was this academy and studio started?
The studio started 1993 and started with one student, two students slowly. Then I started as well as along with that industrial and product shoots, modeling, fashion, so many things involved one after one, that is.
Interesting, sir. Now let me go to the next question. Can you tell me some of your famous works and regarding your clients and your specialization?
Famous started actually institute called NIIT. I had done 1988. I started. Then now and still I am doing continuing and industrial like Canama Telvidia and Promac Engineering and JK Cement I had done. See industrial and in 2004 and 2005 most prestigious Air Force people called AST Colors. I had taken Dr. Abdul Kalam and Pratibha Patil Devi Singh as a continuously I work for them group photography and the colors were actually one 3-day ceremony I had done.
Good to hear all this, sir. And you have done and achieved so many things for you and for your academy. Now let me go to the next question. Can you tell me the future goals of your studio and your academy?
Yeah, I want to start in the future, these online photography classes and as well as I want to go other states or other part of the Bangalore, other corners with association, I help of that. See, I am fluent in even Hindi, local language, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, even other state I can go and attend. So like these workshops I want to conduct in different categories. I can conduct different workshop. People, the student want to do lighting part and other parts. They want to learn different food shots, the fashion photography or product shoot photography. They want to learn very eagerly, and I want to do with this photography help of Khizar technology.
I won't take much time of you, Mr. A.S.N. Singh. Now let me conclude this interview with the last question. Can you give some suggestions to the upcoming generation photographers who are choosing photography as their career?
It is a fantastic, good question. See, a lot of opening for a young generation, like cinematography and nature photography and industrial photography, product shoot photography and fashion photography, wildlife photography and interiors photography. So macro photography, there are plenty of openings for a young generation.
It was wonderful speaking to you, Mr. A.S.N. Singh. Thank you for giving me your time, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.